The first step we'll take in today's video explanation is to download any VPN application and run it on India. As you can see, we'll activate the VPN like this and it will be activated. After that, we'll go to any browser and open the official ChatGPT website. We'll log in with our account as usual. We'll click on Upgrade for free. We'll scroll down and find the Go package. As you can see, all the features of ChatGPT Plus are in this package, and as you can see, we can benefit from them for 12 months for free. Before we click on Upgrade to Go, we must do the most important step in today's explanation. We'll scroll down and find that the country is set to India. We'll click on it and change it to Germany like this. We'll click on it again. If we scroll down again, we'll find it's changed. We'll go back to the package and click on Upgrade to Go. Here it will ask you for a method to confirm your free subscription. The first method is via Visa card if you have one. The third method, which I recommend and is the easiest, is via PayPal. If you don't have any of these three payment methods, follow along with the video to the end so I can connect you and we can solve the payment problem together. For those who already have an active PayPal account, click on Pay like this and enter your PayPal email address. Then select the country. Choose India. In address line 1, write New Delhi, and in the city field also write New Delhi. In the PIN field, enter 113. In the status field, select Delhi, then check the terms and conditions. Next, click Pay and Subscribe. Wait until it redirects you to PayPal. Log into your account. This page will open. Click Agree and Continue. Wait for confirmation of the payment. You don't need to do anything else. It will automatically redirect you back to the ChatGPT app. You will see this message, and that's it. ChatGPT Go is now activated. You can now use ChatGPT 5 without limits. Like and subscribe for more AI tutorials.